Hey, so this is a demonstration of an adapter for connecting the exhaust of the Festool to a Neofish vacuum cleaner. So first you can connect the Neofish hose to the adapter where it clicks in place, and you can take it off again. And then you have these arrows here indicating where you should connect the Festool connector. Where you put it in and turn it until the arrows are opposite each other over here. And then you can connect it to the Festool, where you can place this at an appropriate angle, and then you can